The first thing I wanted to do was I got a construction light, and you might need it for this project. If not, it's always a good idea to get a construction light like this. And I put it together. This was an HDX construction light. And the funny thing was, I went to the hardware store and they had two different ones, and I'm using a 500 watt one. They've got them for 250 watt and also 300 watt. I always like to get the 500 watt because it gives you a little bit more light. And they had two different ones. One was like $20 and this one here was 16 and some odd cents. And so I got this one. But then I went over to another hardware store and they had one similar to this for $12.93. So, you know, you're going to spend somewhere between $12, $13, and $20 for your light. And once you put it together, some of them, you plug this in and maybe it doesn't go on and you think, oh man, it doesn't work first thing off. Well, check on the back. This one has a little button here. You press the button and voila. Some of them might not have a button in the back. Just make sure you press that. It's always a good idea to check that before you run back to the hardware store. One time I got one, I didn't know it had a button on the back, and I put it all together. It didn't work. Took it back to the hardware store, got another one. It still didn't work. And then I started messing around the back and I saw the button. I felt like a big fool. But anyways, this light is going to help us with our project, and I'm just about ready to go. There's a couple more things I want to show you though. We only need a few tools for this project.